What's up, YouTube? Just came back in the video. This video, I'm gonna be doing another aloe vera plant on my locks. I already cut some. I'm gonna cut that piece off. This way. Just put it on my video, so I'm on my scalp a little bit, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all my hair. Okay, see y'all here. I had did one last year. It was good. Y'all can see. So yeah, that's my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this aloe vera plant in here. Pop this up. Start off with this small one. Just gonna cut that. Pretty good there. Just gonna put it all the way through your scalp. You ain't gotta rinse this out or nothing. Just leave it in there. Get this, and then do that. To get some more out. There you go. Some more. All the way through your hair. And then we'll mix it in. Now I'm gonna do this over here too. Same way. Take these off. I'm gonna put just another half in there. Put all in here. So yeah, that's it. Aloe Vera plenty in here. Add moisture, shine, make it grow more, a lot more. So yeah, man, that's it. Aloe Vera plant. If y'all wanna do this, let me know how it go, and leave it down in the comment. If y'all have any suggestions for my hair, leave it down in the comment. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.